So we covered 3 different JavaScript data types: string, number, and Boolean. There are 2 others I want to talk about as well, and that is null and undefined. So I'm going to create a new file, and we'll just call it data types HTML. And we're just going to make a very simple one. Always good to practice creating these. And I'll throw the script tag in here as well. We'll call it datatypes.js. Save that. And now we'll create that file, datatypes.js. So before we look at null and undefined, I want to show you this. I'm going to create a variable called h1 and set it to 20. I'm going to create another variable called h2. I'm going to set it to 20 as a string. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, what's the value of h1 when I compare it with h2? Are they equals to each other? And in JavaScript, they also have a triple equals. So I'm going to show you what these two do. So let's go over here. We'll go to our data types HTML file. First one says true. The second one says false. So double equals means they are the same regardless of data type. Triple equals means they are the same including data type. They're the same data type as well as being the same value. So this is undefined, and this is going to be null. I'm going to prove that the first one is undefined. I'm going to do an alert of h1, and you're going to see it's going to say undefined. So it says undefined, so that is now undefined. First one says true, and the second one says false. So that basically means that undefined is technically the same as null if you don't take into account that they are different data types. However, they're obviously not the same because they are different data types. So the difference between these is I have a variable that pretty much could be anything, but we haven't determined what it is. And this is a variable that could have been an object, but we couldn't find an object, so it's set to null. In the next video, we will look at objects and null.